つものヨーグルト作り。今日は豆乳でいきます。豆乳ヨーグルト。豆乳いきます。600cc。アジア系のスーパーで買いました。こうで全部入れちゃいます。お醤油も足してちょっと混ぜましょう。カットしたネギたっぷりにちゃいますよ。で混ぜる。いきます。
Why your tail? Why's your tail wagging?
Ah, pig?
She might be sick.
No, she's eating, I think.
Yeah, I don't think she likes. No one likes it that bit.
No.
Oh, she's shaking. She's wagging for you.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
How'd you get this just right?
もう黒いから見えないねなんか。もも。
You know, you wouldn't need this just yet, but you get so dirty though.
Such a good dog.
Oh, she's really good. Maple's terrible at taking a bath.
She's gonna be skinny.
She'll be skinnier, yeah. Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay. I think you need a haircut too, but that'll be some other day.
ジャリ頑張ってます。シャンプー。She's really clean.
Yeah, she's a good girl, huh? Yeah. She's a really good girl. I wonder if this feels good to her. Cause I think she gets a lot dirtier than Maple, you know? A lot dirtier than Maple. Okay, other armpit. You want to be stinky for the boys, right? Gotta be clean. So let's get your head. Okay, come on. Come wash your hair. Your hair.
Face. Wash, 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 wash.
Look at her, she's all clean. Your hair is as messy as ever, though.
Oh. So skinny. Oh.
Close the pants. Okay, go free.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
She was a good girl. She's such a good, she's such a good girl.
乾燥とたくさん作るので、もう今度はミキサーでいっちゃいます。トマト缶、水煮缶、塩と水。ネギ麹、これかな、ちょっといいかな、つけておきます。漬け込んでおきます。今日は味付けはトマト麹だけでいきます。ちょっと最後に味を見て塩コショウするかもしれません。はい、ちょっとこれでしばらく置きます。
Steaming is starting.
を足します。足してお肉を戻します。戻してネギもいっちゃいます。あ、落ちちゃった。
Hey, hola. It's me, I'm Mario. I'm Mario.
No, you be Luigi. How was dance?
I'm not Luigi.
You can.
しょうもMaple loves rice.
Has been canceled.
しましょう。Okay, dinner is ready. Are you hungry?
I'm starting a bit.
Okay.
Good. It smells really good.
And soup.
Salty, dinner's ready.